What to do, peoples? So I saw a video, and the video said basically that I take this dry erase marker and I can get the decals off of this car. So we're about to find out if this works. They said I gotta do this a couple times. So hold on. Take the dry erase, get a nice little coat on here. We gonna see if this works, y'all. They say this gonna get it off without messing up the paint. Get up in there. See, let that dry a little bit. Then wipe it off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stop playing. What's going on here? At this point, I don't really know if it's working or not. Put a nice little coat up here. Hold on. Okay, so it is working. Y'all seeing this in real time. Okay, this really happens. I wasn't sure. But I don't really have no patience, so there's that. Yo. Yeah, you gotta do it a few times, but yeah. Yeah. This is working. I was a bit skeptical. I thought it was one of them false little videos. But apparently, it's a real thing. And I purposely used the black just in case it didn't work. I just gonna repaint it black. But as y'all can see, it worked. Decal gone. Wow. It's a little bit of decal still in there. That's why they say get the toothpick. But yeah. Okay. So that works. Wow. Let's do the other side. Let it dry a little bit. This is wild. Hold on, y'all. There we go. I'm still amazed. I saw it work on the other side, and I'm still amazed that this is happening like this. This just is. But this, stuff like this, is why science was my favorite subject in school. And we're going to find out. I'm going to find out how this happens. What is in dry erase? What is the chemical reaction that makes this happen and why? So I've never really thought about what's in a marker or why dry erases. I've never really thought about any of that. Now, I'm curious. I am curious. And if you know me, you know if I get curious about something, oh, I'm about to go learn something. Hmm. I'm gonna have to dive deeper into this. Yes, I'm gonna have to dive deeper into this. And I purposely did not speed up the video, move out of frame, none of that. This is not a trick. Wow. Wow. That just happened. I just learned something today. Yo. That just happened. Wait, why is he all... How was I holding it for it to be all lopsided like this? Did I just do that? Or was he must have been already messed up. Because I didn't hold him like... Oh man, that's crazy. Well, did I really just do that? Oh, that's crazy. Come on, bone shaker. Well, y'all just saw it. Decal came off.